We're here in Bahia again for the second time. Yes, ito siya natulog.
Good job.
Hi, Ernest.
Hey. I don't know how to do that.
It's okay. Don't worry, I won't tell anyone. It's almost 5 a.m. Yes?
I think my room is open. You can tell my there.
Okay, I'll tell her. This is Marvin, the other drunkard, the third drunkard. Hi, Marvin. Okay, don't worry, I'll tell her.
Maybe it's open. She can sleep there if she wants.
Kap TV! Kap TV!
No, it's wet.
It's okay, I don't mind.
Shit. Oh, shit.
What are you gonna?
What will I do? You drunkard. Hi. Hi. Uy, your cell phone will be dead.
It's okay.
Huh? What okay?
It's okay.
Is this waterproof?
Who's that?
Seriously?
Drunkard!